already registered?
The line of early voters stretches down the hallway outside the county clerk's office in Madison. But is anybody trying to vote who's not supposed to? The Wisconsin Attorney General J.B. Van Hollen is convinced there are.
Some people are registered who are fictitious or are voting at fictitious addresses.
Fill in your name and address.
Van Hollen mentioned 3 cases filed in the last month that allege violation of voter registration laws. He hinted there were others but wouldn't give details. Still, he's trying to force the state elections board to check and recheck every voter's ID. If they don't, Van Hollen insists that Wisconsin is ripe for massive voter fraud. Critics don't buy it.
I compare the possibility of massive vote fraud in Wisconsin to the same likelihood as alien abduction. This is a statute book.
Lester Pines is the attorney for the Wisconsin Election Board. He showed us the election law that says the current ID checks are sufficient, and this week a judge agreed. The Attorney General lost a lawsuit against the Election Board, but he says he will appeal. Why is there such a fight? Some say the Attorney General is playing party politics to favor the Republicans.
Isn't it true that there was a discussion in your office with lawyers for the GOP a week before you filed this lawsuit?
I understand that to be true.
Did they ask you to file this lawsuit?
No, they may have asked lawyers in my office to file the lawsuit.
It turns out the state attorney general is also the state honorary co-chairman of Senator McCain's election campaign.
I have no doubt in my mind that there are going to be people out there who are going to say, boy, that looks a little bit fishy, and they do. That's the reason why you're here, I believe.
Anybody else need to register?
A county clerk responsible for registering voters says no matter who wins, the voting process will be fair and accurate.
Sometimes a voter will fill out a registration form and they have misspelled the name of their street. That's the closest thing we've come to.
So you don't have massive voter fraud here?
No.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
But the fight isn't over. The Wisconsin Republican Party has joined the Attorney General in demanding tougher voter registration.